post it on the channel. So it's not anything
Does this need to come out? There.
So we got all these behind here. We need to take these out, and we're going to take them around to the back of the auditorium. Just get them out of the way. How many are there? Are there 4?
Just one more.
Just one more.
Just 3?
Stuck in the backdrop. You need me to pull the, oh, you got it.
Going to watch this? No. I'm on it. That's your seat. No, I want to watch it.
Fold it as it comes down. Maybe I should have brought some more people.
Well, we got some people out. I think all of them go
Oh,
out.
okay.
How many people? We need at least one on each end, right?
Right, and maybe 2 in the middle to help fold it up because it's pretty stiff.
So 2 people?
2 people.
Got 2 people?
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Like, well, as you are going to lower it, and as you're doing it, because we need to keep it all behind this, we need to sort of fold it, like push it back, and then let it come forward, push it back, so we get
Okay.
sort of pleated up, and so it's not all one big pile down here on the floor. So we'll wait for a couple other people. We actually, eventually we'll raise it up once we start. But now you're just letting it down. We hope so.
Or would you just like watch it happen?
Okay, so here's what we're doing. The muscles over there, they're gonna lower, sorry, they're gonna lower, they do have names. They're gonna lower this backdrop. We wanna fold it so that it's not all crumpling up and everything. So we need somebody on each end and then 2 people kind of spaced out in the middle to help fold it nicely as it comes down. Does that make sense?
So at the first lower they do, we want to keep this right where it is. We want
Push
to push,
this
like maybe
in.
put a foot here and
So
push
there's
that
a
in.
fold like this.
So that goes back against the wall back there, and then it'll come forward.
Yeah,
We'll be like just
she'll tell you what to
pleating
do.
it.
Does that make sense?
And I'll help you out. I'll try to help you figure it out. So one at
spot.
each end.
I think he'd be better suited for this. And I'll hold the camera.
One in the middle, go to the very end. Well, yeah, I would go to the very end.
Yeah. I'll let you write. You just wait till they start to lower it.
She'll
And
tell
put a
you
foot
what.
right here to keep it there. And as they lower it, you're going to push back.
Oh, like this.
Yes, exactly.
So let us know how.
And I'll tell you when. Yeah, when you can go down about 8 feet, and then I can mark some more. I have to mark up every foot too, so I'm going to get in your way once we get started. Does that make sense to the rest of you?
Yeah.
What to do? Okay.
Why am I being recorded?
Yeah,
Why?
it's for behind the scenes.
Kids these days, and they're behind the scenes.
I guess not.
What's up, YouTube?
Good morning, golfers. Today I'm here with the backdrop.
I best get famous off this too.
Oh, you
Do
will.
I get paid for this?
Nope.
Man.
But everyone will know.
Why we pay you? Okay.
I'm gonna stand over here.
Huh?
I'm gonna stand over here.
You're gonna stand over here? I'm getting singled out by the camera. I have GNN VIP trust.
That's right.
Here's storage over here.
I had this class.
Oh, you did?
I hope Joe comes back when we're all gone.
So they know exactly what's going on. Well, did you know where the backdrop though?
Right.
Did you paint this, Keith?
Ready? We're ready. It's gonna start coming down.
I guess I
I'll let you know when to
Keep
stop.
going and when
Okay.
slow down and yeah.
So as it comes, remember you're pushing back, and then we're gonna let it come forward. Once you hit that back wall, which is gonna be about 3 feet. So the first 3 feet are gonna go back, and then you're gonna come forward. And that's probably when we're gonna stop, mark, and then we'll go again. Expectation. They promise not to drop the whole thing on your heads.
We'll see if they fulfill it.
My heart is blue, my neck is red. Not everybody can do these. Not everybody. Everybody else got soft hands.
Okay, so push back. Okay, once it's back that far, let it come forward.
Tell us to slow down if we need to. Or hold up.
You're fine. We'll fix that. Okay, y'all look good. Oh, I'm sorry. You need to stand on it. Stop. I got to mark, and then you can go again. Here. You know what a foot is, right? Yeah. So if you mark, that's a 10 foot. Here's a Sharpie. So go to foot and put a 11.
Really?
You see it?
Oh yeah, it definitely works.
All right, we can go again. So we're going to need to push back this time. Yeah, there we go. Okay, stop. We need to fix this. So you can mark off the next feet while I try to get this.
Okay.
Did you see we stopped 12 right there? There's 13, right?
Yes.
So go, if you lined up with the 13 and do the next 3.
I don't know if I can even do that. Is that even straight?
Been working like a dog.
Yeah, you're the keeper of it. Okay, stop. All right, can you mark off the next 3? There we go, that helped.
Recoil's not. Nighty night. What's up, YouTube? This is Jace back with another video. Peace out.
I think it's still like 3.
That's just like the mic on a stick.
Where you can't see anymore the feet,
I thought that was a shotgun mic.
where are we?
I'm pretty sure it's a
Where's
boom
the
mic.
hand?
Maybe they're the same thing.
Okay, stop. There it is. Who painted it?
Yeah.
I did with a bunch of student help.
Who's good?
Yeah, we're gonna paint right over it again. I'm not sure how many layers are on there. You cut this
Where did
out.
you even put this to paint it?
Right here.
Here.
Just lower it.
And we had, last year, we didn't lower it this far, we used scaffolding and went up and painted. But yeah, we lowered it part of the way. You get it? How many feet are we at now? 22? Okay, you ready? You can go again. Okay, you can stop. Because we can reach the top now.
Yeah, you want it right there?
Right there. Right there is good. Now, I don't know, can we do more feet? Or did we go too far? Okay, you could go through there, right? From the 22?
Yeah.
That's perfect.
How often is this canvas replaced, do you think?
This is the second canvas I remember. but I don't know how many were before that. I mean, I don't
Okay.
know if there were before.
Oh, right, yeah, that's true.
Okay.
So this is probably the second canvas
This-
within the last 20-something years.
I'm trying to remember the first musical we did on this one. So Bye Bye Birdie. I'd have to go look at the posters in the music room and I can tell you.
So, sure.
Okay.
All right. Okay, thanks, guys.
That is perfect. Thank you very much. All of you, thank you. I appreciate it.
All right.
Gloves?
Put your gloves. We'll head back.
And I'm going to go ahead and close the curtains. This is perfect. Because all behind here,
Yeah.
that is very nice to have the four of them helping.
Yeah, this is the first time we've done it like this, and I think this is the best way we've done it. Wall and everything. There's another garage door just on right there. Just do that to storage.
So there's a lot of storage.
Yeah, you want to see it?
Do we want to see it? I was just
Well, I could show it to you. We could get it on tape too.
what else storage?
We have to go that way though. Let's go that way. I want to show them like it's that storage.
Oh, okay. Oh, I want to go see if there's any black ink out there.
Yeah.
Do you need back on the stage?
No.
Yeah.
Should we turn off the lights though?
I'll get it. I'll get it.
So you're gonna check for paint.
Yes.
Yeah. So this was the big project last year. This the tower. So that's what Geometry Construction built last year. That was a lot of fun. And we're not going to take it apart for a while until hopefully we can use it again. And this is so most of this stuff is from Shrek. This is Shrek's hut. This was used in Addams Family. These three big sections were all made for Addams Family. We used some of them for last year as well for Shrek. We got to take this apart.
Oh,
Yeah, we got to take this apart because we're not going to use it. And it's just taking up space. This is what we called the carn. The cave is on one side and there's a barn on the other side. And this is where Fiona transformed.
and
So-
when you do take it apart, we'll take one of those candles for David.
Yeah, yep.
Which is mural on.
Yeah, because that's the right size.
Yeah, perfect.
And this was Fiona's bed. I don't know if we'll keep that or not. This bike is for the Sound of Music. Let's get to that.
This paint, if it's still good, will be used for some of these. Oh, it is, good. So I can start painting.
All right. Yeah, and we're gonna reorganize this a little bit. We want to move this over to that side of the door. We've got these cabinets we want to put right here against the wall. That's basically it, right? Got some gravestones from Addams Family.
Which we might.
Yeah, we kept some. No, it's been here. So,
I
yeah,
like it.
think- Yeah, I
Fits
think
my
it's for
hand.
that. So, okay.